Hello, this is Alex Gorzen from Liquid Web with our video on Linux run levels. A run level is a different mode that a Linux system will use for different functions. Typically, there are 7 run levels numbered from 0 to 6. A level is chosen as the default one to boot into, and then depending on the need, it will be switched to another level, either by the system or manually by an administrator. Each run level has its own purpose, so let me give you a brief summary of each one. Level 0 is for shutting down the system. Nothing runs and the system just halts all functions. Level 1 is single user mode, which means only root has access to the system. The network access and other non-vital services won't run. Generally, this is more of a recovery mode than something that would be used regularly. It can be used to reset the root password if you get locked out. Level 2 is multi-user mode, so basically the same as level 1, but it allows other users to log in as well. Level 3 is multi-user mode with networking. This is how most servers run, as it allows external communication but doesn't use a graphical user interface. Level 4 is Undefined. It's for allowing custom user run levels to be configured if there is a specific configuration that needs to be used regularly. Level 5 is X11 mode, which means it has everything Level 3 has, plus a GUI. So Linux desktops and home users would generally boot into this mode by default. Level 6 is for rebooting the system. So like Level 0, you wouldn't boot into this mode, but the system will switch to this mode when the reboot process is initiated. Init scripts are what start the other processes in each run level. So to get a better idea of how they work, if I go into my server to the etc/rc.d folder, I see the init.d folder, which is what actually has most of the scripts that run the various services. If I go into the rc3.d folder, which is for run level 3, then I see the various files that are just symlinks to those scripts in init.d. You can control which init scripts run by using the checkconfig command. If I run checkconfig --list, it shows me all the init scripts that are configured and which run levels they are set to run on. You can see a few services are set to off, but most of the services that are on only have levels 2 through 5 enabled. The other levels just wouldn't need these services running. To give a quick example of how to manage a service, if I run the list command again and search for just the memcached service, we can see it's off for 0, 1, and 6, then it's on for 2 through 5. If I run checkconfig memcached off, then check it again, it has all of the services off. If I turn it back on again, then check the list, it only enables it on levels 2 through 5 again, since the other run levels just wouldn't need that service. So I hope you enjoyed our video on Linux run levels. Please visit our knowledge base at liquidweb.com/kb or our YouTube channel for more how-tos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.